Hi dear children, welcome to the EVS online class. How are you all? How was your exam? I hope all of you have written all the exams very well. We have completed all the lessons from semester 2 textbook. From semester 2 we have to study lesson 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have completed all those portions. Today let's revise lesson 6. What is the name of lesson 6? Yes, force, work and energy. In this lesson, we studied about force, the effects of force, different kinds of force, work, different simple machines that helps to make our work easier. And also we discussed in detail about energy, different sources of energy and different forms of energy. What is force? A push or pull that act on an object is called force. What happens when you apply force on an object? What are the effects of force? Yes, force can move an object. It can stop a moving object. It can change the direction of a moving object. Force can also change the shape of an object. So the effects of force are: force can stop a moving object. Force can move an object. It can change the direction of an object. It can also change the shape of an object. There are different kinds of force. Which are they? Muscular force, gravitational force, frictional force, elastic force and mechanical force. What is muscular force? We use our muscles to apply force, that is muscular force. For example, we use muscular force to open the door, write in the notebook, push a table, etc. Then next is gravitational force. When a ball is thrown upwards, what happens? It falls down to the ground. This is because of the Earth's gravitational force. The Earth is pulling the object towards itself. This force of attraction is called as gravitational force. Then the third one is frictional force. What is frictional force? The force that stops or slows down a moving object is called frictional force. For example, when a toy car is pushed, what happens? It moves, then after some time it slows and stops. This is due to frictional force. Friction acts in the direction opposite to the direction of the movement of the object. Frictional force is very important in our daily life because we need friction to walk on any surface. Without friction, any object that is moving will never stop by itself. So frictional force is very important in our daily life. Frictional force is less on a smooth surface than on a rough surface. Then next is elastic force. The force that resists stretching and making the material go back to its original state is called elastic force. Then next is mechanical force. This is a kind of force that causes the object on which it acts to change its motion or start moving. So these are the different kinds of force. Then we studied about work. What is work? Work is said to be done when a push or pull moves an object through a distance. There are different simple machines that helps to make our work easier. We studied 6 simple machines. Which are they? Inclined plane, lever, pulley, wheel and axle, wedge and screw. Let's discuss about lever.
What is a lever? Lever is a rod free to rotate about a fixed point. The fixed point is called the fulcrum. The object you are lifting is the load and the force applied to make the object move is the effort. We use levers in so many of our day-to-day activities. For example, seesaw, bottle openers, scissors, wheelbarrow, crowbar, etc. are examples of lever. Then next is inclined plane. It is a sloping surface used to push or pull a heavy load up. Examples of inclined plane include truck ramp, playground slide, wheelchair ramp, etc. Wedge is another simple machine which is made of two inclined planes joined together to form a sharp edge. Examples include knife, axe, chisel, etc. The next is screw. It is a nail with a winding edge called a thread. This winding edge is actually an inclined plane. Screw helps to hold things together more firmly. Then we studied about pulley. It is a simple machine used to lift heavy things. It consists of a grooved wheel with a rope passing around it. Pulley is used to lift water from a well, to hoist a flag, and to lift bricks and cement at construction sites. Wheel and axle is another type of simple machine which is used to move heavy objects. Doorknobs, screwdrivers, trolley, etc. are examples of wheel and axle.
So the 6 types of simple machines are lever, inclined plane, pulley, wheel and axle, wedge and screw. Now we have to study about energy, different sources of energy and forms of energy.
What is energy? Yes, energy is the ability to do work. There are different forms of energy like light energy, heat energy, sound energy, electrical energy, and mechanical energy. Which are the different sources of energy? Wind energy, water energy, solar energy, and geothermal energy are the different sources of energy. Wind energy is used to run windmill, which in turn can be used to turn turbines for generating electricity or to grind grain. Then water energy is also called as hydropower. It is used to move and carry things. It is also used to turn turbines and generate electricity. Solar energy is the energy from the sun. It sustains life on the earth. Solar panels convert solar energy into electrical energy, which is used to run machines. Solar cookers use sunlight to cook food. Then geothermal energy. What is it? Yes, the energy obtained from the heat inside the earth is called geothermal energy. Hot springs and steam from inside the earth are used to generate electricity. That's all about the different sources of energy.
Read the textbook very well, study the notes. See you in the next class. Thank you.